Okay, hello guys. The stream is starting now. Let's just wait for a minute. So we are just starting. Today I'm going to solve the NeetCode code question, and the question that I picked is of uh, what do we say? Sliding window. Yeah, the question of sliding window. So I'm going to solve at least two questions, two or three questions. That's my target of today. Okay. Okay, so hello guys, we are just starting. We are starting now. We are starting. We are starting. Let's get ready. Okay, so the question is longest repeating character replacement. You're given a string of S. You're given a string S consisting of uppercase English characters with an integer k. You can choose up to k characters of the string and replace them with any other uppercase English character. After performing at most k replacement, return the length of the longest substring which contains only one distinct character. What does it mean? Uh, I need to, okay. So we have a fixed k replacement. It's fixed or it's variable. If uppercase character and integer k. We also have an integer k. It's fixed. There's a fixed window. So you need to choose up to k characters of the string and replace them with any other uppercase English character. Take it. Yep. Return the length of the longest substring which contains only one distinct character. Okay. So what can it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one distinct character. Got it. Hmm. I just need the help of tutorial. Is the longest repeating character replacement? Okay. Okay. And perform it k times. Hmm. Okay. We can replace the maximum character, whatever the k value will be. For example, 2. We can replace 2 characters. K replacement. Only one distinct character. It's a tricky one, but let's see how we can do this. First of all, I want some help from the tutorial. Okay. I guess we can replace any number of characters up to the given k value. We just cannot replace more than k, but up to k, it's on us. Okay, first of all, let's check the brute force way. Hmm. But brute force, it's very time consuming. I'm not going to use any brute force here. I will just go with the optimal approach. I need to read the question again. You're given a string s consisting of any uppercase English character in Nigeria. You may choose up to k character. Yeah. Replace them with any other uppercase. To perform k replacement, return the length of the longest substring which contains only one distinct character. First of all, we need to find the longest substring. What happened? Yeah, okay. B occurs once, C occurs once. Yeah. Yeah, that would be the best to check who having the most occurrence. So A will have the most priority because it repeats most of the time. Two characters. Hmm. Yeah, we can replace up to two characters. That's why we cannot replace all three. So it would be best to replace B and C. But how can we check that? Mm, it's greater than K. Hmm. Three. Hmm. First of all, we need the maximum occurrence of all the characters. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So it will be the optimal approach. Let's check max occurrence. Okay. Mm, longest repeated character substring. This problem is getting a bit complicated. I would need to ask ChatGPT what are the best ways. Help me to solve this problem. Don't give me solution, but explain me. Okay, so what do we have? You have a string like yes, we have a string like this. Have to change at most k character. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know. Key insight very important. Window size equal to the length of substring. Hmm. Okay. Let max frequency equal to count of most common character. Max frequency. Hmm. To make all character in that substring equal, we need to change every character that is not for max frequency. every character to change equal to window size minus max frequency. And the rule says you can change at most k characters. Yeah, how we use this inside, use something called a special sliding window technique. Special sliding window technique, yeah, we need to expand the window from left to right. Trap of the count of each character in the current window. Okay, we are going to shift the window to the right, and we will track every time that what is the max frequency we are getting right now. We also track the max frequency. Yeah, character within the window. If the substring become invalid more than k replacement, we move to the left pointer to shrink down the window. We keep doing a track of the maximum window size we ever achieved. Window works here. Okay, frequent character count, window size 2, need changes 0. Window size 3, need changes 1. Yes. The 3, there are 3 character, need changes 1. Window size 4. Yes, valid, yes. We can do that. So here we go. A B 3 frequent character count and window size 5. Need changes 2. Now shrink down the window. And why is that? Oh, okay. We can do only one. So it will be the solution. 4 4. Yes. Because only one character we can change at a time. Mhm, 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 mhm. Okay. Okay then, let's go to the video. Mhm. Hmm. L is here and R is there, but L2. So till now, this is getting complicated here. Hmm. We need to check it again. Hmm. Not possible because we only have an option to change two characters. We cannot go for five. Most occurred character and the K. Okay. Hmm. 2 length minus 2 and 3. Out of 3 characters, we can replace only 2. Hmm. I don't know how we got this 4. Hmm. Hmm. And minus most occurrence is greater than or is equal to k. Yeah. Sliding window with a combination of two pointer. That with that would be the optimal approach, but I need to see how we can implement it. Hmm. Hmm. Now we can iterate. So we need current length minus max occurrence, which should be greater than k, greater than or equal to k. That would be the valid. mm, minus 2 equal to Hmm. PQYR. Mm-hmm. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So what's wrong? Should be smaller than equal to. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that we need is we have a string, we need the length. First of all, we would need length and okay, we need to devise the formula. We need to write the formula first. Mm, mm, X minus 3. Okay, so whenever the condition fails, we will shift the left one at a time. We'll shift the left to the right. Mm, 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 6. Okay, we need to check the length of the maximum possible substring. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so we need to store occurrence in what? In array. Okay, then we need a left right pointer. Good. It's our answer. Then we need max occurrence. Mm, right. It's right is s dot length. Hmm. And right. Max occurrence. Okay, we are going to increment that character. So s dot character right minus a. Okay, I'm getting it now. If the right minus left plus 1, why we are doing right minus left? Okay, so if our pointer is on like 2 or 3 index, we are doing left minus plus 1 minus max occurrence. Okay, okay, then we are going to move our left pointer. Yeah, left increment. Good. Okay, okay. Max occurrence. Hmm. Right minus left plus 1. That's okay. and our answer. Okay. So I'm going to try it. We have this. We need a an array to keep track of the occurrence, and occurrence it will be new int it would be of size 26. Then we need a left right pointer, so we need to keep track in left, and left equal to 0. Then we need right, that will be 0. Of course we need an answer variable. Then we have an int answer, that would be 0. So we need a left right pointer to keep track. Okay, if I try to run the loop, I'm going to use right pointer, int right. Okay, I can keep right there. If right is smaller than equal to s dot length, then right increment. Okay, we will do the right increment every time, and but I'm missing something. क्या रह गया क्या रह गया ये राइट इंक्रीमेंट किया है मैंने यहीं पे। तो मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा कि लेफ्ट भी मेरे को इंक्रीमेंट करना है। लेफ्ट के इंक्रीमेंट के लिए लॉजिक लिखना है ताकि लेफ्ट इंक्रीमेंट हो जाए। एंड उससे पहले क्या करना है, ओके लेफ्ट इंक्रीमेंट राइट इंक्रीमेंट के लिए कुछ चेक नहीं करना है। मुझे अक्रेंस इंक्रीमेंट करना है। और कब करना होगा ये चीज़, मैक्स अक्रेंस। ओके इंट मैक्स अक्रेंस, ये मैक्स अक्रेंस। मैक्स अक्रेंस को कब अपडेट कर रहे हैं हम, मैथ डॉट मैक्स करके, क्योंकि सबसे पहले राइट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तो राइट को हमेशा हम प्लस प्लस करते हुए जाएंगे। पहले वाली चीज़ तो लिख ही देनी चाहिए मेरे को, क्योंकि अकरेंस में हम अपडेट तो करेंगे ही। अकरेंस में हमें अपडेट करना है स्टॉट केयर एट राइट माइनस कैपिटल ए। ये कैसे ओके। एंड इसको हम कंपेयर कर रहे थे किसके साथ, मैक्स अकरेंस के साथ। ठीक है, ये हर करेक्टर को मैक्स अकरेंस यहाँ पे निकलता रहेगा सबसे पहले। उसके बाद हमें चेक करना था, लेफ्ट के लिए कंडीशन लिखनी थी। अगर राइट माइनस लेफ्ट हमारा, इसमें कि +1 भी करना होगा, एंड स्मॉलर इज ग्रेटर देन, आई गेस ग्रेटर देन जाएगा। लेफ्ट राइट माइनस किया, ग्रेटर देन। अच्छा यार, मैक्स अकरेंस भी तो देखना है, मैक्स अकरेंस से माइनस भी तो करना है, जब भी तो पता लगेगा कितना रिप्लेस हो रहा है। अगर रिप्लेस वाले कैरेक्टर के से ज़्यादा है तो हम लेफ्ट को डिक्रीमेंट कर देंगे, इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे सॉरी, डिक्रीमेंट थोड़ी, क्योंकि 0 से 1 पे लाना है ना उसको। एंड इसके बाद हमें वो वहाँ पे भी रीसेट करना होगा कैरेक्टर या अक्यूरेंस पे। हम्म, जो कि क्या होगा, पहले तो माइनर सा सिंटेक्स एरर जो मैंने कर दिया, int right इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, मैंने कुछ मिस कर दिया क्या? काउंट माइनस माइनस, ये वाला सिंटेक्स मुझे जरा समझ नहीं आया, इसने काउंट क्यों लिखा है? हाँ, हमें उसको डिक्रीमेंट करना पड़ेगा, वो बात तो है, अकरेंस को करना पड़ेगा ना। इसने इस तरीके से क्यों लिखा है? अकरेंस में से हमें एस डॉट केयर एट लेफ्ट, केयर एट लेफ्ट जो है उसको डिक्रीमेंट करना है, डिक्रीमेंट करना है। कैपिटल ए, do math max आंसर राइट माइनस लेफ्ट, गुड, +1 हमेशा होगा, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक, ये तो हो गया। आंसर में रिजल्ट सेव हो जाएगा, सिंपली यहाँ से आंसर रिटर्न करना है। बहुत बढ़िया, एरर के बिना तो काम चलता ही नहीं है भाई। सो व्हाट इज द इशू? ओके, सेमीकोलन, अगेन एक और सेमीकोलन। अब क्या दिक्कत है? इंट राइट, इंट राइट, इंट राइट, राइट 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 राइट, कर देना यहाँ पे मैंने हरकत। राइट इक्वल टू 0, इसको 0 से करना है, ठीक है। कैरेट राइट, व्हाट इज द इशू अब? कैरेट लेफ्ट, कैरेट राइट, ये तो सही लिखा है यार। सीक्वेंस कैरेट राइट, ओहो माइनस, यहाँ पे गलती की है, यहाँ पे भी गलती की है। उसके बाद मैंने क्या गलती कर दी? स्ट्रिंग इंडेक्स आउट ऑफ रेंज, आउट ऑफ रेंज कैसे हो गया? मैंने किया मैक्स अकरेंस, राइट माइनस ए, कैपिटल ए के, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए। राइट 0 से हो रहा है, 0, 0 माइनस ए, तो उसको इशू क्यों हो रहा है? ओके, पहली बात तो स्मॉलर जाना चाहिए, नहीं तो -1 होना चाहिए। ओके ऑल सेट, एक क्वेश्चन तो हो गया कंप्लीट। रॉन्ग आंसर, वाओ। एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट 2, योर आउटपुट 3, कुछ तो छोटा मोटा गड़बड़ किया है मैंने। ओके ठीक है, आज का एक क्वेश्चन डन, टाटा बाय बाय, आज के लिए बस इतना ही, बाकी मैं कल ही करूँगा।